Right, so I've cut the patterns for the knicker, for the 4-year-old knicker. This is the front pattern, this is the back pattern. Now I want to notch where I'll put the pocket. So I'm going to measure 4 inches. This is the front pattern. I'm notching the pocket on the front pattern. So I'm measuring 4 inches here, which I will notch for just ½ inch. Can you see that? Then I will notch the mouth of the pocket. For a 4-year-old, the mouth of the pocket should not be more than 5 inches. For adult, it is 7 inches. So I'm going to notch it again. So you can see that's the mouth of the pocket. Now the next thing is to cut the pocket. I've also cut the pocket. I use 12 by 10 inches. This is 12. You can see it is double folded. This is 12 divided by 2 is 6. You can see it's double folded. Then this is 10 inches. So on the pocket, I'm going to notch 6 inches. Measure 6 inches. And I'm going to notch it. Also with 0.5. So this is the pocket. I want to sew the pocket first. You can see that I marked the wrong side. This is also the wrong side of this one. So you need to know the right side. I'm going to sew it on the right side. This is where the notching is. So I'm going to start sewing the notching down. Inward now. This is the front part of the front pattern. You can see this is the back. So this is the front, the right part. This is the right part of the pocket too. So I'm going to position the notch with the notching now. So this is the notching of the pocket. Note that the measurement that I use here, they are measurement for kids. They are not the same thing as for adults. So I'm going to note this place on this place. I'm already putting the slit down, slit to slit, slit here with the slit here. So the two slits are joined together. So I'm going to sew from this slit too. That's why I marked it here. So I can know where the slit starts from, then I'll sew it down with ½ inch, the way I sew the other leg. I'm sewing with ½ inch because before I turn it, I must notch this back one too to be equal. The pockets too, I must notch it. So by the time I'm turning, I can have the two edges outside. That's the purpose for the notching. So I can have the two edges outside. So you can see this. This is where, so I'm going to top stitch, then I'll slant it to the side. Make sure you don't top stitch with the lower part. It could be a little tricky, but if you can get it, it's fine. You should get it. This is the right part of the front pattern. The pocket is already inside. Then I'm going to use the right part of the back. I'm going to position it on it. Then I'll sew it down. Remember, you must not sew the mouth of your pocket with it, so you must shift your pocket, the mouth of your pocket to the side, so you don't sew it with what you are sewing. I'm checking for the mouth of my pocket here. Make sure you sew it very close to the slit, so it can close the slit and there will be no hole. I'm trying to shift back. Okay, so I've joined it. You can see the mouth of my pocket. Exactly the same way I sew the hem of the other side. I'm going to sew this one too. So it's good to learn different ways of doing it. So I'm using 5 inch to sew, half inch to sew, just half inch.